In this video, we'll talk about how to deposit on stake with debit card. Now, in order to do this, what we can do is we click onto this wallet. But instead of clicking this deposit right here, because as you can see, deposit will only provide us with this deposit address, what we can do is we can click onto this buy crypto. Now, just choosing here the crypto that you want to actually buy. For example, let's buy BNB and then enter in here the USD or the amount of US dollars that you want to spend to buy this coin. For example, let's spend around $20 and click onto this next. And we have in here this payment providers. We have Pay as well as swap.com, but this one is not available. So let's choose this one and click on buy. Now, as you can see, this will load the gateway to Web3. So let's just head over and then wait for it to actually finish the loading process. And now we have in here this option. So we have in here this. So we pay for this one and we will receive this. So we also have in here the payment method. So for the payment method, we will be having in here the Visa. So you can also use your actual MasterCard, but you need to link it into your Apple Pay or your Google Pay. So you just use in here this one and then click on continue and then enter in here your email and click on continue. Then you need to confirm your email, or you can also use Gmail right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to successfully buy that.